Hi friends.
Hi Samit. Today we are going to learn comparison qualities. What we are learning? Comparison.
Qualities.
Very good. Shall we start?
Yes.
Okay. See the balls. Okay. In front of you, you are seeing two balls.
Yes.
Okay. You have to tell me which one is the big ball. Big ball.
This one.
Very good. Now tell me, from these three balls, which one is the small ball?
This one.
Yellow ball?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, let's do some exercise.
Exercise.
Okay? See the flashcard. Okay? In this, you are seeing two trees.
Yes.
You have to tell me which one is the big tree. Big tree.
This one.
This one. Okay. Pick the big tree. Very good. See the first row. Okay. Among these four apples, which one is the small one?
This one.
Mark it. Okay. Among these four cars, which one is the big car?
This one.
Among these four cars, which one is the big car?
This one.
Cross it. Very good. Among these four balls, which one is the big ball?
This one.
Cross it. Among these four cups, which one is the small cup?
This one.
Tick it. Okay, excellent. Okay, Samit, today our next concept is thicker and thinner. Thicker means some fatty and thinner means some slim. Okay, in these two pens, tell me which one is thicker one, fatty. This marker pen.
This marker pen.
Very good. Which one is thinner one?
This green pen.
Very good. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Next concept is your more or less. More means many, so many.
So many.
Less means few. Okay. In this two set of sketch pen, which one is more pens?
This one.
Which one is less pen?
This one.
How you will identify? Just count it. Less pen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Count it. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Means it is more than your 4 pens. So
Yes.
it is more, it is less.
This.
Okay. Let's see the flashcard. Okay. Okay. See the above pick.
Yes.
Okay. In these two candle, which one is thicker one?
One.
Thicker one, see.
This one.
Very good. Mark it.
Blue candle.
Blue candle. Say blue candle.
Look at.
Very good. Among these two pens, which one is thinner one?
This one.
Okay.
Pencil.
Cross it. In these objects, in these two bread, which one is thicker one? Thicker one. Very good. Tick it. Very good. See the last pick. Okay. Which set of pencil is having more?
More.
More means many.
This one.
Okay. Tick it. Okay. Our next concept is taller and shorter. See the two animals. Which one is taller animal?
Giraffe is taller one.
Very good. Which one is shorter animal?
Cow.
Show me the cow. Very good. Okay. Let's do some exercise.
Yes.
Okay. Among these two buildings, which building is taller one?
This one.
Very good. Tick it. Is Penguin taller one?
No.
Is it shorter one?
Yes.
Okay. Mark it. Mark it. Okay. Among these three animals, which one is shortest animal? Frog. Very good. Which one is the tall?
Tortoise.
Which one is the tallest one?
Giraffe.
Okay. Tick the tallest one. Okay, Samit, let's learn far and near concept. Okay, you are seeing the building,
Yes.
and what you are seeing here,
Tiger.
and
Giraffe.
okay. Which animal is near to the building,
Tiger is near to the building.
and which animal is far away from the building?
Giraffe is for the building.
Very good. Okay, let's do some exercise. Okay, you are seeing the first pic. Okay, you are seeing two roosters.
Yes.
Which rooster is near?
This rooster.
Okay, tick it. Okay, you are seeing second pic.
Yes.
What you are seeing in the second pic? Tree,
Tree and
two birds.
two birds.
Which bird is far away from the tree?
This one.
This bird is
For the tree.
far away from the tree. Mark it. Mark it. Very good. Okay. See the last pic.
Yes.
You are seeing house,
House,
girl,
girl
and a boy.
and boy.
Okay. Tell me, which person is near to the house?
Girl.
Girl. Very
Girl
good.
is near the house.
Very good. Mark it. Cross it. Cross it. Very good.
Bye bye. Subscribe, comment, like and share.